Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see in the title, I'm really hyped because I haven't unboxed this Louis Vuitton right here. So this is the Louis Vuitton card case holder. So yeah, I haven't even touched this yet, like not even like peek, because I actually wanted to unbox it with you guys. So that's why I haven't used the the card holder. So anyways, if you let's just start. Let's just start because I'm really excited and I can't wait to use this one. But anyway, I got this at the Tyson's Corner Mall, I believe in Virginia, like 2 weeks ago. With me and my friend went to the store. This was really unexpected, but this was been in my wish list since like forever. And it's kind of like a gift, early gift to myself, because my birthday is on May 28th. But you don't want to know that. Let's just start. So anyway, I got this Louis Vuitton card case. Let's just unbox it right here. It's a small bag. And then first they will give you this is a receipt. They have a very fancy receipt in this one right here. So that's that. Just kind of like open. And it says, "Thank you for shopping with Louis Vuitton." And then, see, this is the receipt. And then they also sent me a receipt on my mail. That's that. And then the card holder is $205. And with tax plus tax is $12.30. Total of $217.30. So I paid out on my debit card, my own money. So this is the receipt. Let me just try to put it back. It's very fancy. So I do have the favorite BM. I don't have it with me, but that's like my first Louis Vuitton. I will just probably insert a photo right here, but I have the favorite BM that was given to me last year. I think last year, yeah, I believe, with my aunt's friend. So that was like the favorite BM. So anyway, talk about this one right here, and then just ta-da, so right here. So that's that. Louis Vuitton, they are known for like this orange packaging with like blue tie. So that is that. That's the box right there. So let's just open them together. Let's see, right there. And then just take this out there. And there she is. This is the Louis Vuitton card holder there. So this is in the monogram print and fuchsia. They actually do have a, hold on, let me go to the website. This simple yet chic card holder in monogram canvas slips easily into a pocket. It holds credit cards, transport cards, or business cards. The reason why I got this, guys, because I've been like looking for a card holder, and my card holder from Target gave up on me. Yes, I have that card for so long now. And yeah, this is the Louis Vuitton. I'm gonna try to put a card in this card holder and let you guys see like how many cards can come in here. I mean, can fit in here. So this is just like the, oh, what's this? I don't know what this is, but yeah, it comes with it. And the some like card again right there. Okay, this is my Target card, you guys. And you know what? This has been my ride or die. This is the $10 Target card case. But anyway, I'm gonna have to show you. I'm not gonna show you the actual credit card. This is just an example. This is my Sephora Insider. And just try to put it inside right there. And it's pretty good. I believe I asked the guy that helped me, which is, his name was James. I asked him how many card can hold into this card holder, and he said like right about 6 to 8 cards. So this is really good. And then I'm gonna put here my license, driver's license, and then the other side is gonna be my green card. And then the other one right here in the center, which I'm gonna be putting for my credit card. So let me just try that out. So let's see, I think I can still push that. Okay, so there's like a little bit, you can see just a tiny bit, but right there. So this is the green card and this is the driver's license card. So that's pretty much very chic. I'm the type of person which I don't really like using big wallet, especially on an everyday basis. I am the type of person, like, you know, I use my debit card or credit card most, like 99.9% of the time. If I do use cash, it's kind of probably like parking ticket or stuff like that I have to go, I still have to go to the ATM to get cash. But overall, I really don't like using cash. So yeah, I'm looking for this. I do have the I was crushing this one wallet as well, but like I said, it was kind of big and I don't have a lot of credit cards anyway, so I only have my two debit cards and like 2 or 3 other credit cards. So that's like the main thing. So this is it, and I only put like 1, 2, 3, so I probably gonna put more in here, which is I have my debit card, I have the insurance, medical insurance of course, and I also have my prescription card and my TJ Maxx credit card. So let me just try that out. My not credit card, but my medical insurance card, they're very, very thin, like very thin. They're not thick cards, so they're very thin. So I'm kind of like happy about that, so it will not be like bulk. So let me just see. If you have a lot of cards, you guys, like credit cards, and I don't think this is gonna be good for you, because you don't want to like put a lot of cards in here and it's gonna be like this, like wide open. You don't want to do that, especially in this type of like card holder. I might suggest just try to use or try to buy like a wallet, if you know, if you don't mind like carrying a big wallet. Okay guys, so I have like 6 inside and then 2 in each side, so that's like 8 overall right there. And I forgot to show you guys, there's actually, says here in the inside, made in Spain, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Spain. I choose the fuchsia one, so it's kind of like have that pop of color. They actually do have just a plain brown one right here. Let me show you. In our, I don't know, I can't pronounce that, but looks like this. I might just put it in the screen so you have like better view, but that's at the same price. They also have it on the mirror print, and I don't know, yeah, so that's that. And then this is the card. I'm really excited. Doesn't have its, oh, smells like leather. Really good leather. So that's the Louis Vuitton card holder. I'm not really a luxury type of person, but it was just like a little gift to myself. And the main reason why we went there, because of the mini pochette. That was like the main reason why I went there and asked, because they were like out of stock online, and I was just like hoping that they have it in stores, but they don't have it. James told me, the guy work at Louis Vuitton, he told me that they don't have it, because I don't know, but he told me to actually try probably next a month or another 2, because we're going to Vegas anyway. So I'm gonna go to the LV in Vegas and check if they do have the mini pochette. I'm just gonna insert a picture here, right there. So yeah, that's my Louis Vuitton unboxing for this card holder. For me, I would kind of like suggest, if you're like a card girl and you don't use cash on you, I would highly recommend this one. But if you are more on the cash person, then I would not suggest for this one. But overall I really like the card case, and yeah, I don't have nothing to say about it because it's just a card holder. So what you see is what you get. So there you go. I have 8 cards in here overall, and yeah, so there goes my unboxing. And yeah, make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.